Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my annual what I got for Christmas video. I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I got for Christmas, at least the main gifts anyway. I'm not going to be covering stocking stuffers just because it's mainly chocolate and things like that, but I am going to be sharing all of the main Christmas gifts that I got. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So I'm not going in any particular order, I'm just grabbing things as I go, and first up is a coat that I got for my mum. I'd actually tried this on before Christmas and fell in love with it. I thought it was so beautiful, but I managed to talk myself out of it because I do already own a camel coat, which I still really like, and then she went ahead and got it for me and surprised me with it, and it's just the most beautiful thing. I am so thrilled with it. She knows me so well, but I thought this was stunning. It is kind of double-breasted, but it's only a single button, so it doesn't have that multiple button look. It's very sleek and minimal, really, really nice. I love the cut and fit of this as well. It fits so nicely, looks good with both jeans and also dress and skirts. This is the only coat that I've been wearing ever since I got it. It's literally just been glued to me. And I just think it's so beautiful. It's a lovely shade of camel as well. It's quite pale because sometimes camel tones can be a little bit dark, but this one I thought was beautiful, fully lined, and it's just absolutely stunning quality. So beyond thrilled with this. It was such a lovely surprise and just the most beautiful coat. Next up is a gift from Dan's mum, and she always does the most amazing, thoughtful gifts. She's incredible at gift giving, and last year she got me this kind of I guess mixed box full of beauty products, and this year she did the same, but she went really big with the box this year. So how beautiful is that? It is a reusable, it's kind of like a faux suede. It's not really suede, it's like a textured kind of leather type material, pink all over with this rose gold trim. How beautiful. So the box is fully reusable, which I love. And then on the inside she just stacked it full of products. How amazing is that? So there's just all sorts in here. There is a electronic nail care system, which I'm super intrigued about because I don't really go get my nails done professionally very often, so I thought this looked super, super cool. I also have face masks in here. I have a toner from NARS in here. I have some hairspray. There's literally everything, like it's so full. How amazing is that? And full of really useful items as well. So I have some cleansing wipes in here, some cotton wool, some refill items for the nail tool, just absolutely everything. Such a great gift, so sweet and thoughtful, and the box is just beautiful as well. Next up is an eyeshadow quad that my mum got me. This one is from Tom Ford and it is in 27 Virgin Orchid. I wear Tom Ford eyeshadow every single day and I have done for like the last 3 years or so. I love that eyeshadows, and usually I use one particular palette, which is the Nude Dip palette, and she decided to get me this one, which looks absolutely amazing. I've never tried it before. They always come in these beautiful little dust bags, and these shades are so lovely. So it is always 4 colors, and this one has a kind of white color, a dusky pink, a kind of lilac color, but it's got a little bit of taupe to it as well, so really wearable, and this beautiful dark burgundy color as well. I did Google photos online to see how people wore it, and it looks amazing, so I am so excited to try it. And what I love about Tom Ford eyeshadows are that they're so hard wearing, they go on beautifully, and also they do a lot of cool tones as well. I'm not typically a fan of warm toned eyeshadows, which is what so many of the palettes out there are at the moment. So the fact that they do a lot of cool toned eyeshadows is amazing, and I think this just looks incredible. So very, very excited to try this. Next up are a couple of gifts from Dan, and I actually already thought I knew what Dan was getting me for Christmas. We did discuss it before, and he was putting money towards one thing and then he got me another thing outright, which I actually went ahead and bought myself. So I knew what he was getting me. I wasn't expecting anything else, and then he went ahead and surprised me with these 2 items. I had mentioned both of them before, but it was literally ages ago, so I was not expecting them at all. He did such a great job. So first up, from Joe Malone, and he's obviously clocked that this is now my fragrance, because he did get me a perfume for my birthday, I think it was, and then he went ahead and got this candle. So it is the Peony and Blush Suede candle. This is my favorite scent of all time from anywhere. It's absolutely amazing. Oh, it smells so good. I have the perfume, I have the body cream, I have the hand wash, I have the candle, and this is a limited edition, I believe, of the kind of normal candle version. So it has this beautiful green and gold lid, and then all the way around you have these green and gold stripes. How beautiful is that? It's just the classic fragrance. the one that I absolutely adore, but I thought this was stunning. I've not actually seen this, and I did shop on Jo Malone for other people's gifts, so I'm not sure if he got it from Jo Malone directly or where, but I thought this was just stunning. So very, very excited about this. It's so sweet of him to remember I like this scent. And then he also got me a little Senreve pouch, and this isn't actually very little at all, it's pretty big, but I saw these when I think I was getting my mum's phone, or I was in the Apple store on Regent Street for some reason, and they had these Senreve laptop pouches, and I remember taking a photo and then showing it to Dan, being like, these are so, so cool. I did get a new laptop, I think it was early December, and I was saying that I needed a new laptop case because my old one doesn't fit. And then he went ahead and got this. It is so beautiful. How stunning is this? So it's in this amazing deep purple color, has the little Senreve stamping right there, just plain on the back. It does have a pocket though, so if you wanted to store documents or anything else like that in there, you can. And then it just opens up with their beautiful gold hardware, and then you can just fit your laptop inside. Is this not the most amazing laptop case you've ever seen? I do feel like you could also use this as a clutch or a document folder if you wanted to, but I thought this was so lovely, so I am beyond thrilled with this. It has their beautiful blue suede lining as well, just so, so gorgeous. Oh, such an amazing gift. I am so, so thrilled with this. Next up are two gifts that Dan's mum got me, and these are so, so lovely. So first up is this snow globe from Diptyque. I'm a huge Diptyque fan. I love their candles so much. And how beautiful is this? This is the first time that I've even seen anything like this from Diptyque. Try and get it out. But it's this beautiful snow globe with this lovely scene inside. So it's gold and white all the way through. It's very, very intricate in design, and it's just the prettiest thing. I don't think I've owned a snow globe in years and years and years, so this is just so magical. I've been playing with it so much, and just such a lovely piece, so absolutely gorgeous. And then, as if that wasn't enough, she also got me this compact from Chanel, if I can get it out from all the tissue paper. So this is the double mirror. I didn't even know they did compacts like this, to be honest, and it comes with a beautiful little dust bag, and it's just in there, very classic, very beautiful packaging. And it flips open and there's a double mirror inside. This is such a great gift. I've always meant to get a proper compact mirror. At the moment, I just tend to use my blush, which is usually dusty from all the powder. I always mean to get another one, but I just never think to, and I never stumble across them. So this was ideal. I not mentioned anything to her, so I don't know how she knew, but it's so lovely. Very thin and very lightweight as well, which is great. So easy to slip into mini bags, and just such a beautiful piece. So unbelievably sweet and thoughtful gifts, just so, so lovely. Dan also got me this set from Harvey Nichols, and I wasn't even really aware that Harvey Nichols did kind of foodie things. I knew that Selfridges did, but I didn't know that Harvey Nicks did. But it's this beautiful set. It would help if I showed it. And you just kind of slide it out, and then on the inside you have a, I don't think this is a full-size bottle, maybe a half-size bottle of their rosé champagne, and also some of their, I think they're pink truffles, I want to say. Yes, they're pink chocolate truffles, so I haven't opened those because trying to shift some of the Christmas weight, but I will open these for a treat soon. How beautiful is that set? So lovely, and Dan knows I love rosé champagne, so I'm very, very excited to try this one. Next up is the most enormous, insane gift, and this is from my brother and his family. They went completely nuts this year and got me the Liberty Advent Calendar. It's huge, as you can see. How amazing is that? I resisted opening it because I wanted to wait for this video, but now I'm clearly going to do that. It does tell you what's inside on the kind of sleeve thing, and there's everything from Hourglass to Aromatherapy Associates, Bobbi Brown, NARS, just so many great brands. So let me see if I can open this. And here it is. How beautiful is that packaging? So you just have the Liberty store on the front, and then you have a similar design on the back with the Liberty logo in gold. It is so beautiful, and then it just opens up. How amazing is that? It's just incredible. I'm really struggling because it's so heavy, but it is the most amazing thing. I don't think I've ever seen an advent calendar this large. I think I'm going to spread this out over January and February because those are like the worst months in terms of just general sadness that the festive season is over, but I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to get stuck in. I feel like I'm not going to need beauty products again for ages and ages, but so excited about this. They went totally crazy, but yeah, so lovely. And then my mum actually went ahead and got me an advent calendar as well, which I know is totally crazy, so I actually got 2 advent calendars this year. This is the Jo Malone one, and I was totally floored when I saw this. I've been wanting this for years and years and years. Obviously never got it for myself because it is quite a big purchase, and I just completely freaked when I saw it because it's just the most insane thing. So the design is stunning. I feel like I'm never gonna want to throw this away because the packaging is just so beautiful. It's more of like a kind of cube design. You have the kind of classic townhouse, which is part of the Jo Malone branding, and then even on the back you have a slightly different design. So it is really lovely. It does tell you on the back what is included. So you get a ton of their fragrances, everything from their blackberry and bay perfume to their honeysuckle one, mimosa, just so many different types of fragrances. You get body and hand wash as well in Wild Bluebell, their peony and blush suede oil, just so many amazing products. And again, the box is just absolutely ridiculous. It just opens up like so. I know it's appearing very bright on camera, but I will do cutaways. And they're just all separated into these beautiful little drawers. There are no words. It's just so beautiful. So I am definitely never throwing this away. It's far too lovely. So yeah, I haven't touched the drawers yet. I am saving these for, as I said, when it gets really sad during January and February, but so beautiful, just such an amazing gift. I'm down to my last 2 gifts now, both of which are from Dan, and these are both from Dior. These are the ones that I did know about, and if you watch my vlog then you're probably gonna know what's inside here because I did get these during that trip. Comes in their beautiful festive packaging. It has all these illustrations all over, and it kind of has this metallic look as well. It is so beautiful. They did an amazing job with their packaging. And on the inside is this shoebox, and then inside are these amazing kitten heels. I have been lusting after these for so long, and I was always kind of put off by the price because these are really pricey for just kind of a pair of shoes. But how lovely are these? I first saw these in the US, and as soon as I saw them in person, first time I've actually ever seen them in person, I fell in love with them. I thought they were so lovely. I was initially going to try on the mesh ones, but then I tried on these kind of black fabric ones. I much prefer these, both in terms of the look and the color. I thought they were lovely. I also tried on the beige ones as well, and it was a close call, but I went for the black ones. The attention to detail is just so lovely, and they're actually very comfortable as well. I was also looking at the flat ones and the high-heeled ones, but I thought that I'd probably get the most wear out of these. I don't typically have a lot of good luck with flat designer shoes, so I thought the kitten heel was a good compromise. But how beautiful are those? I am so excited about these. I cannot wait to start wearing them. Just the most beautiful shoes. And then finally, I do have a bag as well. This is one that Dan put some money towards. This has been on my wish list for a really long time. If you follow me on Instagram, then you may remember me trying this bag on. I actually got this a while ago, but I've been under the strictest instructions not to have it until Christmas, so it's been a long wait, I'm not gonna lie, but I finally got it, and it is the beautiful mini Lady Dior, and I think this is in the Lotus color. I got it so long ago because I was just worried that it was going to sell out, because I think they told me it was a limited edition. But yeah, how beautiful is this? I am so excited about it. It's this amazing kind of pearly pink, very girly, with their pale gold hardware, their Dior charms right here. I just cannot get over how beautiful this bag is, and I get asked all the time when I'm getting a Dior bag, so very happy to say I finally got one. I'm gonna open it up. So it does have the little leather flap. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see that, but it does have the fabric lining with the one zipper pocket. And I'm not gonna lie, it's not a huge bag, but what it lacks in capacity, it makes up for in cuteness, I think. I am so in love with this. This was another one that when Dan saw it, he was like, yep, that's an Amy bag. Just so beautiful. I'm so thrilled with it, and I just can't wait to start using it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you had an amazing Christmas as well if you do celebrate, and even if you don't, I hope that you did manage to get some time off with your loved ones. I will try and link everything that I can in the description section, but if you have any other questions for me, then leave me a comment down below, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these what I got for Christmas videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.